Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse. Today we're going to review the Welhome ZD-10T coffee grinder. This is a filter grinder that's really compact, weighing in just under 1.5 kilograms, and it's pretty straightforward and surprisingly clean. It's also our most affordable and underrated Conical Burr filter grinder. The hopper on the Welhome will let you fit 250 grams of beans in there, and it uses 40mm steel Conical burrs to grind. The Welhome won't be that espresso grinder of choice, as it doesn't really have the range of fineness you're going to need for espresso brewing. But we do have some other great espresso grinders you can check out in this link up above. The Welhome has 10-stepped grind settings you can choose from, and you can simply adjust and track the grind size by rotating the hopper left or right. Fine is 1 and coarse being 10. The Welhome will comfortably grind for Mocca pot stovetop brewing, and it will also grind for V60, AeroPress, Delter Coffee Press, Cold Brew, Chemex, MoccaMaster and French Press, just to name a few. And it will easily accommodate for grinding any other filter style coffee brewing out there. To operate the grinder, you just simply flick on the switch to turn the grinder on the side, then adjust the dial at the front of the hopper to set the time that you want it to grind for. You can set it to 10-second increments of up to a minute, then simply push the start-stop button at the front to begin grinding. Below that, you find the catcher bin. And this catcher bin has a lid on it, and it will hold around 150 grams of ground beans in it. The Welhome grinds straight through the hole in the lid here, and I've discovered the addition of this lid helps keep this grinder really clean compared to some other of the filter grinders out there. For its size, price and power, the Welhome does great at consistency and performance overall. And as far as I'm concerned, the only thing where the Welhome suffers from is that limited grind setting availability. But this would be the ideal coffee grinder if you generally stick to one brewing device or two and don't require changing the grind setting all that much. So if you have any questions on the Welhome coffee grinder, then throw a comment below. We would like to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the bell icon in the right hand corner to stay notified when we're bringing out new videos each week. If you've liked this video, hit like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.